Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about 10 daily habits that can help raise your vibration and elevate your overall energy and well-being. Our vibration or energetic frequency has a big impact on how we move through the world. It influences our mindset, the experiences we attract, and the way we show up. By incorporating some simple, consistent habits, we can consciously raise our vibration and start living at a higher level of joy, abundance, and purpose. So let's dive right into the first habit. 1. Start your day with gratitude. One of the most powerful ways to shift your vibration is to start each morning with a gratitude practice. When we focus on what we're thankful for, it's like flipping an inner switch. Suddenly, your energy starts to feel lighter, more buoyant. You can almost sense a spark igniting within your chest as you acknowledge the blessings in your life. I recommend taking just 5 to 10 minutes each morning to write down 3 to 5 things you're grateful for. This could be something as simple as the warmth of the sun on your face, the rich aroma of your morning coffee, or the gift of being able to take a deep, nourishing breath. By consciously appreciating these little moments, you're training your brain to scan for the positive instead of dwelling on the negative. It's a beautiful way to raise your energetic frequency and set yourself up for a more abundant, joyful day. 2. Move your body. Next up is getting your body moving. Any type of physical activity, whether it's an intense workout, a gentle yoga flow, or just a leisurely stroll, can be incredibly beneficial for elevating your vibration. When you start to move, you can feel the stagnant energy shifting and swirling, your muscles awakening, your breath deepening. It's like the whole system is coming alive, pulsing with vital, revitalizing force. The key is to find activities that you genuinely enjoy. That could be the freeing sensation of your limbs flowing through a dance, the grounding connection of your feet hitting the trail, or the empowering rush of your heart pounding during a HIIT session. Experiment to see what resonates most with you and your body. The more you can make movement a daily habit, the more you'll start to notice an increase in your overall energy, mood, and sense of well-being. 3. Spend time in nature. Another powerful way to raise your vibration is to spend time immersed in the natural world. Being outdoors, surrounded by the raw beauty of rivers, mountains, and towering trees, can have an incredibly calming and soothing effect on the mind and body. You can almost feel the tension melting away as you inhale the crisp, earthy air and let your gaze wander over the lush, verdant landscapes. Whether it's a simple walk around your neighborhood, a hike through the woods, or just sitting quietly in your backyard, take some time each day to consciously connect with the natural elements around you. Pay attention to the vibrant colors, the soothing sounds, the earthy smells. Engaging all 5 senses can help you feel more grounded, present, and in harmony with the rhythms of the natural world. Allowing yourself to slow down and truly appreciate this beauty is a wonderful way to shift your energy and raise your vibration. 4. Practice breathwork. Conscious breathing is another essential habit for elevating your vibration. When you take those deep, intentional inhales and exhales, you can feel the oxygen rushing through your body, revitalizing every cell. It's like you're flushing out any stagnant, heavy energy and replacing it with a sense of lightness and clarity. I recommend trying a simple breathwork exercise each day, even if it's just for 5 to 10 minutes. Inhale slowly through your nose, feeling your belly expand like an inflating balloon. Then exhale slowly through your mouth, allowing your body to fully release any tension or stress. You can also experiment with different breathing patterns, like the 4-7-8 method or alternate nostril breathing. As you get more familiar with the practice, you may even notice your breath starting to deepen and lengthen on its own throughout the day. By making conscious breathwork a daily habit, you'll start to notice tangible improvements in your focus, mood, and overall sense of well-being. It's a simple yet profoundly effective way to shift your vibration. 5. Limit negative media consumption. On the flip side, it's important to be mindful of the information and content you're consuming on a daily basis. Negative news, toxic social media, and heavy, fear-based entertainment can actually have a detrimental effect on your vibration. It's like you can feel the heaviness settling into your body, weighing you down and sapping your energy. Make an effort to limit your exposure to things that make you feel anxious, depressed, or overwhelmed. Instead, seek out uplifting, inspiring media that aligns with the positive vibration you're cultivating. Whether it's listening to motivational podcasts, reading self-help books that fill you with hope, or watching feel-good movies that make you laugh and smile, be intentional about the information you're taking in. Remember, what you focus on expands. So if you want to raise your vibration, be mindful of the mental diet you're feeding yourself and choose content that nourishes your soul. 6. Affirm your desires. Another important habit is the practice of positive affirmations. When we consciously focus on what we want to manifest, rather than what we don't want, it's like we're sending a powerful signal out to the universe. You can almost feel the energy shifting, a sense of possibility and potential starting to build within you. Take a few minutes each day to write down or recite affirmations that align with your goals and desires. For example, you could say, "I am abundant and prosperous," or "I am worthy of love and belonging." The key is to phrase your affirmations in the present tense, as if they are already true. This trains your subconscious mind to vibrate at a higher frequency and helps you start seeing tangible results in your life. Repeating these affirming statements, either out loud or silently, can have a profound impact on your energy. It's like you're fueling your dreams with positive, high-vibe fuel, clearing the path for them to manifest. 7. Nourish your body. Of course, what we put into our bodies also has a direct impact on our vibration. Eating a diet rich in whole, plant-based foods can make you feel more energized, clear-headed, and connected to your highest self. It's as if you can physically sense the life force pulsing through each bite, infusing your cells with nourishing vitality. So focus on incorporating more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats into your daily meals and snacks. And don't forget to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. When we nourish our bodies with high-vibe, nutrient-dense foods, we're able to operate at a higher level of functioning, our minds are sharper, our moods are brighter, and our energy is more stable and reliable. Be mindful of how different foods make you feel, and tune into which ones seem to raise your vibration versus those that might be weighing you down. It's all about finding that sweet spot of optimal nourishment for your unique body. 8. Meditate or visualize. Meditation and visualization are also incredibly powerful tools for elevating your vibration. When you take those moments to quiet your mind and connect inward, you can almost feel a palpable shift in your energy. It's like the noise and chatter of the external world start to fade away, leaving you in a serene, expansive state of being. Through meditation, we can access a deep sense of calm, presence, and inner peace. Your body may feel like it's sinking into a warm, comforting embrace, while your mind becomes clear and focused. And visualization exercises allow us to tap into the power of our imagination to manifest our desires. As you vividly picture your goals and dreams unfolding, you can sense the energy building, a feeling of excited anticipation starting to build. Whether you prefer a guided meditation or a self-directed visualization, make this a consistent daily habit. The more you practice, the easier it will become to access those higher vibrational states and maintain them throughout your day. 9. Practice self-care. Another essential habit for raising your vibration is prioritizing self-care. When we make time to nurture ourselves and meet our own needs, we're able to show up more fully in the world. It's like we're recharging our energetic batteries, getting topped up on the nourishment and replenishment we need. Self-care can take many forms. It could be sinking into a warm, fragrant bath, pouring your heart out in your journal, or simply spending time doing an activity you genuinely enjoy. The key is to be intentional about it and make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. As you engage in these self-care rituals, you can feel the tension start to melt away, your body and mind finding a state of deep relaxation. And by consistently honoring your own needs, you're sending a powerful message to the universe that you are worthy of love, care, and attention. This, in turn, helps elevate your vibration to a higher level of self-acceptance and self-worth. 10. Express your creativity. And finally, the last daily habit I want to share is the practice of creative expression. Engaging in any kind of creative activity, whether it's putting pen to paper to write a poem, allowing your hands to dance across a canvas, or losing yourself in the rhythmic flow of dance, can have a profound effect on your vibration. When you tap into your innate creative spark, it's like you're accessing a higher, more expansive part of yourself. You can feel the energy start to swirl and shift, a sense of aliveness and inspiration pulsing through your veins. It's a way of connecting to that divine, creative source within you, and the more you nurture this connection, the more your vibration starts to rise. So make time each day, even if it's just 10 to 15 minutes, to engage in some form of creative outlet. Allow yourself to get lost in the process, to let your imagination run free. Don't worry about the final product. The vibration-raising benefits come from the act of creating itself, from the pure joy and fulfillment of expressing your unique voice and talent. Okay, there you have it, 10 daily habits that can help raise your vibration and elevate your energy. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to building new routines and rituals. Start small, experiment to see what works best for you, and be patient with yourself as these habits start to take root. The more you prioritize your energetic well-being, the more you'll start to notice positive shifts in your mindset, your experiences, and your overall quality of life. Your energy will feel lighter, brighter, and more expansive. Doors will open, new possibilities will arise, and you'll find yourself moving through the world with a sense of greater ease, flow, and purpose. So why not give it a try? I'd love to hear how it goes for you and what kind of transformations you start to notice. Here's to raising your vibration and living your most abundant, joyful life.